Hello, and welcome to this first look at a new game that I'm working on. It's a virtual reality game, or more like a VR experience or a toy, and it's named The Dream Maker. It's completely voice-driven, and the idea is that it creates virtual worlds or small VR scenarios based on the things that you say to it. It's very early work at the moment, but I'll show you how it goes. So let's press play, and let's put this on, and let's have a look inside. Now I call this the word room, and these are all the different things that can create your world. At the moment you can see it's very literal, and one of the things that I hope to add in soon are abstract concepts. So as well as all these direct words, you could be able to say words like peaceful, and the computer would put together its own combination of what it considers to be a peaceful scene. Alright, so let's do a quick example here. Let's go butterflies and sunset. Okay, picked up sunset. Butterflies. Cool. And you can see that added to my list now. And then we begin by saying the words, start dreaming. Start dreaming. And very soon, hey, here is the scene that it's come up with. So that's using the terms butterflies and sunset, and it's pretty plain aside from that, but you can see the concept in action. So let's try a different one. That was a pretty straightforward example. Let's go new dream. Alright, what else should we do? How about we go night, mountains, start dreaming. Cool. Ooh, we're on a mountain on this one. I mean, that's what I said. Sometimes you're on the ground looking up at mountains, and in this case, we're on a mountain. Cool. And there's not much else in it yet, but that's fine. New dream. Now, I'm happy with the voice recognition and the overall feel, but I'm now at the point where I'll show you what happens when you start to add in many objects, because everything gets randomly placed. It's fine if I've just set like a time of day and a rough landscape. Watch what happens now as I add in a whole bunch of potentially conflicting things. So let's go with rain, cars, rain, horses, mountains, rock. Okay, start dreaming. And watch what happens as everything tries to fit into this scene. There are all my horses. I don't even see any cars, actually. These horses have kind of just been dropped on the scene. Oh, we're in the clouds at the moment, so it's a bit hard to see. I think there may have been a car, but it's probably driven off the mountain. That's kind of how they work. So, yeah, it's a little bit messed up. New dream. New dream. Let's do this once more, maybe on flat land, just to give a better idea. So, cars, horses, rock, yeah, start dreaming. Okay, there we go. There's cars, they're all running over the horses. Yeah, it's not that great, is it? So, I don't know, it's one of those points. Okay, aside from the fact that all the horses and the cars look exactly the same, we're at that point now where I can either make this more beautiful in a way. So really, that mountain example, I should have been able to be riding a horse in the rain on a mountain. Maybe there's a road in the distance and, you know, there's a car driving past, something like that. And instead we've got this case here where cars are running over the horses and smashing things over. So, yeah, I can either make it more beautiful, or I can embrace this in the same way that games like Goat Simulator or Octodad or any of those kinds of more ridiculous games have kind of taken the potential faults or any crazy physics or bugs and created a fun part of the game out of them. So, this is the bit I'm up to at the moment. Voice recognition mostly works. There were a few mix-ups there, and I think it gets confused as to me trying to narrate this video or when I'm saying a keyword. But yeah, what do I do here about cars running over my horses? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll keep you updated on how the game is going in future videos. See ya!